Hello, this is Rich Canlione coming to you from the CME Group trading floor. Happy New Year to you, the beginning of 2012. By all appearances, it looks like we could actually have some positive gains versus 2010 because of the election year coming up and the positive attitudes going into that. And to those of us that believe as well that the year of the dragon is also a profitable year. However, the economic releases as of late begin to raise an eyebrow. Jobless claims, kind of a wash. However, the continuing claims definitely raise an eyebrow and drawing negative attention. The French auction that we saw out earlier, kind of wishy-washy, so-so, but yields are concerning to a lot of us that suggest a little bit of no further confidence, if you will, in the risk on trade. What we're seeing out here this morning particularly that's drawing a lot of attention is dollar-euro rather. The dollar-euro is at 1.5-year lows, and there's something out there called knock-in options, and what they will do is they'll essentially create a synthetic short position once the market takes out that level. You're right at that level, and I think what it's doing is it's motivating some of the risk on trade that we think should be on the table going into the beginning of a new year where you have investment flows is somewhat being negated by that. You also have an 11-year low in euro-yen. I think that's affecting some of the crosses as well. Moving along, the moving averages that are significant in the S&P, cash particularly, the 8-day moving average, 1265. The 200-day moving average is 1258. You saw us come right on top of that this morning on that little bit of a downtick. The 100-day moving average is 1209. The 50-day moving average is 1239. The recommendation, of course, is to be pretty much on the positive side because of the flows that you see at the beginning of the year. You have all this stuff that's on the table with respect to how the first week in January portends to be positive, and that extends through the year, especially through an election year. So play the moving averages wisely. Don't get married to any trades, of course. Play them smartly. Rich Canlione from CME Group Trading Floor signing off.